Welcome back, it's Helen Godden here, and we're still working on our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long, December 18. This is the last of our large poinsettia petals, and we're going to throw in a spider's web. So pick a point somewhere that's not just slap bang in the middle, but somewhere slightly offset, and let's aim for it with some straight lines, and let's start weaving our web. Finish back in the middle, and now you start working your way around in a spiral pattern with little arcs to create that spider web pattern. And if you get to a point here where there's no more room up the top but there's room down the bottom, we just fill in that bottom section with more of the same. So there we go, there's our spider web. I always like throwing one of those in. But now we've stitched all our main large petals of our poinsettia, we have got these little odd ones here and there that are sitting there a little bit empty. So I'm going to go back in with a stipple into all of those while I've still got the red thread on. You might decide to do something else. You might like to repeat one of the other patterns we've done. But I'm just going to go for a stipple and fill those ones in just to give the flower more of a solid look. If you haven't worked into your little centres here, now's a good time with your red thread to go in there and kind of circle each of those little seedy bits, and it makes them pop up quite nicely. So that's the last of our red. You'll need to swap over to your green thread for tomorrow. I hope you're enjoying working along with me here. I know sometimes they're only very small patterns that we're doing, but you know, it probably just gets you nicely warmed up for whatever major project you're working on at home. So I hope it's helping with your free motion confidence. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for December 19. See you later. Bye-bye.